Yep. Well, this was on Broadway, North Littlerock. That tree hit that house. That just happened too. And the lights are still out on Broadway. So y'all be careful. So you ain't gotta be out here, don't be out here. I seen a lot of, look at that sign. It blew all the way across the street because it was on that lot right there. Normally the police, he's sitting there trying to make sure that ain't nobody running that light. He need to be out here directing it. Somebody just had a wreck. Just had a wreck. Ran right in the back of him. Right there. Just had a wreck. Wasn't paying attention. Right, and you ain't gotta worry about it. Police right there now. Turning on the lights. Just had that wreck. Yeah, he might well come on out now. Man, I'm telling you, this weather's crazy out here. Yeah. Police turning around back there now. Yeah, he got a good ticket. He got a supply. Wasn't paying attention. I'll cut y'all back on. Like I said, if you ain't got to be out here, don't come out here. You gotta watch these people. See, he almost ran into that car right there, being impatient. Just be patient. Stop, look, wait and see what everybody else gonna do, then go. It's not that serious. Alright, I'll cut y'all back on here in a minute. Alright, over here with Pike and Persian. This area here always floods. So if you know, are you familiar with this area? Ain't no sense in even coming over here. I'm going to check it out. Got some debris. Let's see here. Oh no. They didn't clear it up. Normally this whole area right here, but you see them lights are blinking though. Yeah, they did pretty good. Cause this whole area right here, normally, let me go and go, y'all. Let me go. Cause you gotta watch out for these. When these lights are out, these people just run just to be running, but yeah, they got that whole area, but you can see where the water was high at because of all the trash in the road. Yeah. Yeah, so we got a little flood up here. Pretty sure when this is all over with, I will have some cleanup to do. So if you need some tree removal, limbs cut down, trees cut down, hauled off, I'll leave my information in the comments below. All right. All right, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, this is that wreck that I passed a little minute ago. Check on your peoples. Check on your peoples. Alright. Put that sign upside down. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have some cleanup to do. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure I stop at these no lights up here. Making sure ain't nobody else coming. Look at this big old tree right here. Now see, when I went to work this morning, that wasn't there. Just that one branch was there. But now the whole tree just split and it fell on that house. Y'all be careful out here. I'm telling you. All these old big trees, y'all better cut them down. I know some people like to save them for shade and keeping their house cool, but man, when you having storms and tornadoes and stuff like this, cut them down. Be safe than sorry.